What's the meaning of controversial? Controversial. Controversial.
Controversial. Controversial. The term controversial refers to something that is the subject of disagreement or dispute among people. It could be a topic, an idea, an action, a person, or anything else that is open to debate or conflict. The controversy arises when various viewpoints clash, and there is no clear consensus or agreement on the matter. Controversial issues can often be polarizing, with people holding strong opinions on opposing sides. This can lead to heated discussions, disagreements, and even conflict. Ultimately, a controversial issue reflects a lack of agreement or consensus among people on a particular subject or topic.